sit in this chair.
Oh, that's wet. It's because I put the umbrella in there.
Oh, that's getting wide open.
Nice. Where's Ouiji?
Whoa, look at the roof! Where's my roof? Look at the mist going on.
Okay, that's like 2 miles now.
That's just far. Why is this so scary?
Hot weather.
Oh look, Jim's out watching.
That's right on top of us, bro. It's been not this bad of a storm in a while. Oh, yeah.
I can't see it because it's clouds.
It's been a while.
Oh, this is like the best spot to watch.
Bro, if the wind starts blowing this way, then we're done. We can't watch this.
Yeah, I did too.
The wind died down a
Their
little bit.
thing flickered.
Yeah, that's okay.
No, it's going this way.
Look at the rain on the road.
I know, that's why I was so kind.
Wall, are you here?
Yeah, kick Tyler out.
Spirit, are you here? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Spirit, are you here?
I can't see.
Bro,
Bro, act
again. No, genuinely.
Be serious. Be
It's
serious.
farting.
Alright.
No, stop.
That's green aura. That is William's green aura.
Spirit, are you there?
Spirit, are you here?
Spirit, do you have social anxiety? Are you scared to?
Oh my god.